Hello everybody, Lumberjack Thrifts here. Today we're going to be doing some DIY, some cleaning, and some potential repair on a Margaritaville bar drink mixer. Let's get to it. Okay, so when we first boot it up, makes a little wave noises. It's kind of not great sound quality, but that's okay. You get to select from 3 different drinks: tequila, vodka, and rum. This should just rotate through, and then you press in and you put in the liquor bottle. And so up here we have color-coded bottles. This white one right here, we're going to take these out because we're going to do some cleaning, and in order to do that we're going to have to take out these top parts. This is your liquor bottle. It's noted with the white cap. This red one is your cranberry juice bottle. This green one is your sour bottle. And then this last one is your orange bottle. Okay, so we're gonna take a closer look at these bottles real quick. They're all completely identical except for the different colors. That's literally just for you to make sure you put the right drink in each of those so that you can have the specific drink that you pick on the machine. So the way these works, they're literally just containers, except their lids. They have this little push thing right here, and there's a hydraulic little pump inside of each of these little container areas, and each of those will push up whenever you select that drink, and when it pushes up it will allow some of the liquid to drain, and so it'll push it up for like a second or two and then it should pop out. And so that's kind of how these work, and so we're going to move these aside after we clean these, and then we're going to go to the rest of the station right here. So next you're going to go ahead and unplug your machine, and then we're going to turn it around, and then now we're going to take off the display top. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to press in this button and this button at the same time and pull this direction. It locks in, it clips in back here, and then there's a little slot fronts up here. And so I'm going to set down the camera and we're going to unlock it real quick. Easy peasy. That little top plate isn't anything special, so we moved it aside. It is literally just a cover. And next is our water reservoir, or our various drink reservoirs. So see these tiny little holes right here? That's where the drinks pop out. And so there is a little bit of a pump right here. And so this is what the hydraulic pump hits. It presses it right here, and then it opens this for it to fall into a little reservoir down there. So these are pretty easy to just take out and wash. You're going to want to make sure they're clean. This one definitely needs a lot of cleaning, so we're going to get to that in a little bit. And then down here we have this little cone. If you pull it back right here and kind of lift it out, it works perfectly fine. So this is the funnel that goes into the bottom drain, and so it's pretty easy to take out and it's pretty easy to clean too. So that's great. So now is the fun part. So inside of this we have literally just a basin. Water is not supposed to be in here, or any kind of liquids. So you're gonna have to like dry it with a paper towel if it gets in there, because there is no kind of in-depth cleaning system. So right here you can see these little black knobs. They're kind of like cylinders, and they pop up whenever that specific drink on top of it is needed, and so it opens up the hole and it kind of falls through the little funnel. I have had a little bit of trouble with some of these so far, and I think one of the best ways to fix it is honestly to shake it around and pull it up and down and move it around. So we're going to turn this on and plug this on, and I'll show you actually how to test this without having all of the other pieces in here. So we turned this back on, and I went ahead and skipped the on sequence because it's a horrible noise. So today we're just going to select tequila just because it's the first one that popped up. So we hit this little button right here, and so it says install liquor bottle. So we want to see how all this works on the inside without installing everything. So what we do is we put our finger right here and press this little sensor down. This goes in and out, and so when you do that, it kind of overrides the liquor bottle sensor, and so it makes it think that there's something there, but really it's just your finger holding down the button. So we're gonna go ahead and press through all the options. And so it's going through the whole setup real quick, and then we're about to be able to select a drink. We're gonna go ahead and select a drink that uses all 4 of these things so we can test all of the hydraulic systems all at once. Awesome, there is one that has all 4, so we're gonna press it. And if you saw, all of those click up, and they're all gonna slowly pop back down. So that means all of the hydraulic systems are working, and we're good to go. So now we can put it back together real quick, and we can see just kind of a demo real quick of how it looks. Okay, now we have all of these filled up. When you actually put these in here with liquids in there, some of it will drain, so you will see bubbles, so that's okay, and that's normal. And I'm gonna show you how it drains out and what it looks like. So we can get a nice angle right here, and then we press mix, and out it goes. And there you go. Cheers. I hope this video helps, and I hope you're able to clean or take apart your Margaritaville Mixed Drink Maker. Thank you.